With any industry in the local area, building and construction, machining, automotive, even the automated systems, employers are telling us that there is just a high demand for students that have that type of skill set. And the goal across all those areas, building and construction, welding, machining, is to help attract enough companies to the area that economic development really takes a better turn for all of us. But it starts with the labor pool and the skill sets that our students are walking out the door with. Tucson is unique. Pima Community College students are actually participating on some of the UA engineering teams in preparation for design day in the spring. So students of ours that have machining backgrounds, computer-aided design backgrounds, welding backgrounds can provide hands-on skills to the engineering students at the U of A who are designing something, and then our students can actually help create it. And that's unique to Tucson. The Engineering 498 program is one of the better ones across the country, so adding the hands-on skill sets just makes it that much better, something you're only going to find in Tucson. The future for us, for the next couple of years, we're creating our Center of Excellence for Applied Technology, so we're going to have a new space where high school students, JTED students, industry, employers are all welcome to participate with us as we provide and prepare the next generation of workers for this area. It's going to take all of us to make that a success. All of our students have something to bring. Some have different gifts, some have different disabilities, but they think of things differently. And that's exciting that students think about building their careers, but then fulfilling their passions. So being able to participate in an event, a festival like TENWEST, brings a bunch of different minds together like that, where everyone has a different skill set and ability, and then you just swirl that around, and what comes out of it, nobody knows, but that's the excitement, right? And so we're glad to be a part of it. We're glad to contribute students, our faculty, and just contribute our brain power as well, because Pima is a major contributor to the success of Southern Arizona.